Hello, friends. How are you? Today I'm going to take you to the Dollarama store in Canada and going to tell you that what you should buy from Dollarama store. So don't waste any time and let's go to Dollarama store. Just after listening the word Dollarama, we always thought that everything which we get from Dollarama store is $1 or $2. No, it's wrong. In Dollarama store in Canada, you will get $3 or $4 things as well. While there is another store that is Dollar Tree, where you will get $1 stuff. So I will make another video, Dollar Tree versus Dollarama. Keep watching. First product is the disposables. These disposables, which we used in our parties to serve, like biryani, like roasted chickens, like roasted veggies, barbecue. So these are in very reasonable price available over here. The second thing which you should buy from Dollarama store are the kitchen towels. These are very reasonable price. In $2 you can easily get 2 or 4 kitchen towels, and you know that we always use in kitchen these things, so it's very essential the thing. Third most important for me are the storage boxes. These we can use as for the lunch boxes. These we can use and in the fridge to store our leftover gravies, to leftover kebabs, and left in picnics, in everywhere. And it's very reasonable. It's some boxes are $1 and you can get 2 or 3 boxes in that. So I love these boxes. Dollarama store is best place to buy the seasonal decor. Like nowadays we are having the Heritage Festival. So you will see over here the Canadian flag, the Canadian souvenirs, the Canadians diaries and t-shirts and everything. But while if you will see, if you will come in Halloween, you will see the Halloween stuff over here. In Christmas stuff over here, and in very reasonable price, like in $1, $2, if you will decorate your house, and it looks good as well. So what's bad in that? Fifth is the seasonal toys, which we should buy from the Dollarama store. These are very much reasonable in price. We have to buy these toys every year. Sixth is the chocolates and candies. You will get lots of chocolates, lots of candies from Dollarama, and these are very reasonable price. Stationery supplies. Can you see over here the junior high school stuff like mirrors and bulletin boards and paper clips, and see in $125 you will get 3 glues. What a best deal over here. I love to buy small little tidbits stationery over here. See the folders, see the files, all are in very reasonable price, especially those stuffs with the junior high school students like to place in inside the locker. You can easily buy it from here. These are the kids stuff, kids learning stuff. See the stationery supplies, these crayons. In 150 you will get these crayons. It's a very reasonable price. In other store it's quite expensive. 8 must buy stuff from Dollarama are the greeting cards. Look at the variety of greeting cards. If you want to buy a greeting card for anniversary, for your father, for your son, and for different occasions, you will get different greeting cards, and in just $1. What a best deal. See? Ninth product which you should buy from Dollarama, and I always buy from Dollarama, are the gift wrappers. In $1, a big roll of gift wrapper, you can get it from here. 10th, and the most important thing for every mother, are the party supplies. Best party supplies, best party favors you will buy from here. See, there are a lot of varieties. If you want to fill a goodie bag, you can get party favors from over here. uh, cake top, candles, see the banners, the happy birthday banners, pinata, balls, everything. Like in $4, even in $4, it's quite reasonable. See the party favors. This is the 11th one, the party favors, and I love to buy party favors from here. It's very reasonable. In one pack, like, you will get 10 things and you can make 10 goodie bags from that. See, there are a lot of variety. For boys, there are different things. For girls, there are different things. You can fill bags from that. Bags are also available over here. Like what to buy or what not to buy. What we can leave over here. To make your house smell sweet all the time, candles are the most essential product. So, candles are the must buy. Next product which we must buy from Dollarama are the socks. Very reasonable price in $2, 4 socks, 4 pair of socks. When we wash the socks, we never get the another pair. So, best buy from Dollarama. See, lot of variety, lot of colors for boys and girls. 14th are the cleaning supplies. I love to buy cleaning supplies from Dollarama store. It's very reasonable. All the cleaning supplies from broom to brush to sponges to pine sol, everything must buy from here. Guys, if you want to see what we should not buy from Dollarama store, keep watching my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.